Oh! Ah! Oh shit! Oh shit! Hey YouTube, what's up? I'm on the way to Santiago Oaks. It's pretty cool because I just moved to Yorba Linda, so now to get here it's only gonna take me like 15 minutes. It's gonna be a quick ride today. I gotta head back. We're gonna be taking out my old neighbor in Long Beach for his birthday, and so I gotta get back and get down before traffic. I want to thank everybody that came out this weekend and supported Ernie's GoFundMe. If you don't know, there's a mountain biker by the name of Ernie. He created Transcend MTB, which is like a mountain biking group. I think the majority of the riders were out in like San Diego area. I never met Ernie myself, but I met a few of the guys from Transcend MTB that's come to my restaurant, and unfortunately he just passed away last week, and he leaves behind a wife and like 3 young kids. I was approached by one of his friends to do like some sort of fundraiser for him, so we basically had a fundraiser to eat at my restaurant, and then 30% of the proceeds would go towards his GoFundMe. A few of the mountain bikers that came are friends with Ernie, so it was really cool to meet them and hear about him. I heard nothing but good stuff about him. He's like a really good person, really cool guy. What's also really cool was that a lot of the guys that came to support the GoFundMe were people that didn't even know him, or they just came because they saw the post, which to me is like just really awesome. Just so I love about this mountain biking community. I'm gonna put a link in the description if you have the means to donate anything, $5, $10, whatever, to his GoFundMe. It's gonna go towards his funeral costs. I can tell you, you know, that my dad's death like really like destroyed our family, not only financially but just emotionally, and it caused me to go down a really dark path in my life. I ended up gang banging, and eventually I was in YA, spent 5 years there. My brother spent 16 years in the California State Penitentiary, so I'm hoping his mountain biking friends will help keep an eye on his kids, keep them out of trouble. But again, I just appreciate everybody's love and support. Now that it's Santiago Oaks with Mario and Casey, do some pedaling. It's a hot one. It's about 100 degrees out right now, so we're kind of fucked. I didn't realize how hot it was gonna be. Okay, cool. All right, ride safe. All right, come on, Mario. Oh, some skinny. Oh, 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 fuck! Oh my god! Oh, what the fuck? I don't think it's done yet, dude. Holy shit! Glad I got that one on camera. This whole fucking thing went over there. Oh my god.
Oh my god, dude. I was wondering what you were gonna do when you made it this
Yeah, that's what I was thinking.
I think you're just gonna fucking hike off of it.
That's funny. All right. When riding blind goes wrong. All right. This is Todd father, following Casey. This is the biggest drop. Oh wow, it's like almost like asphalt. That's cool. Yeah, they mixed like some asphalt or something, huh?
Second ramp was bigger.
Yeah, it is. Big thanks to all the guys that putting all the work out here. That was really cool. right, this is the Hawk. I'm following Casey. Yeah, it's loose. That's the one. If you go to the right. Yep. It's loose. That's what she said. Oh, what happened here? Oh shit, dude. What the hell are they doing? They cut everything out? That's whack. What are they doing to this trail? Fuck. Alright, OC Parks, let's take a perfectly good trail and fuck it up.
Yeah, I don't know what they were doing with
holy shit.
They made it so loose before the rock drop.
That was super fun, short.
Yeah, they fucked it up though. There's a lot of things they did. It is freaking crazy hot right now. Alright, we made it to the top. The app says it's 87, but it feels like it's like 100 degrees up here. There's no shade. Just hot. Alright, ride safe. Alright, this is Chutes. Following Mario. Oh shit. Took the wrong entrance, I think. Or they changed it. There's so much brake bumps. Oh my god. Oh man, it's hot, dude. These climbs are brutal. It's killing me. No shade, it's just this fucking sun just beating on us. Oh, he got something in his mouth. Oh no, he doesn't. Oh, he's tagged. Okay, right safe. This is Waterfall. I'm leading it. Oh shit. Forgot which way it was.
Woo! Whoa! That was sketch as fuck.
Oh, went the wrong line there.
That thing is dirt. Look how soft that is.
I know you could. Oh, I guess you could.
Optional.
Yeah.
I think that's what Tommy usually messes up. Oh, there's a couple different lines, Casey.
Oh shit, it is loose. That's what she said. Holy shit. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. Oh my god.
Choose a good one because I'm following you. Yeah.
Oh, I took the wrong line. What the fuck am I doing? This is the turn I thought I was at.
Oh, fuck. Fucking surfing.
Wow. Holy shit, it's loose.
That's what she said? There's gonna be a sharp right up here, so it's kind of hard to make.
Oh, that's pretty tough.
Yeah.
That's pretty tough.
Mostly I get it this way if I go. If I somehow get it.
Oh, I fucked that one up.
Ooh.
You alright?
Yeah. Oh yeah.
I fucked you up there. I went the wrong way.
We went straight over the thing.
There's a bunch of different lines, Casey, right there.
I got different lines.
Yeah, we couldn't really. I couldn't make that right-hander right there, that tight one. That's what she said.
Yes. I'm not gonna be able to eat till like 4 or 5 o'clock today too, so I'm gonna be starving. I'm messing around over at the playground here. We'll do some drops, rolls. Harsh, right?
Yeah, that's a harsh one, dude.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Do the roller. You did?
I went over. You did?
Yeah.
Perfect.
Yeah. I'm gonna roll out of here. Go to my restaurant, get some iced water, iced coffee. Oh fuck! Oh my god! Holy shit, that would have been bad. Woo! This is our adopted dog, Champ, Hunt Champ. There's Big Butt Molly. It's our neighbors. We're gonna really miss everybody. Gonna miss the views up here too. We got really close with our neighbors during COVID, and we had like days off that we never had, so we started walking the dogs on our days off and got super attached with them. We just came back to visit, and it's Michael's birthday. My neighbor's ride right here. Damn! Look at that G-ride right there. Damn! Are Mike gonna shuttle us? We'll go mountain biking. That is so cool. That is dope. That is so crazy. That is sick. Oh shit!